How long have you been with her?
Say that again, but then do your fart sound. First do your fart sound.
How long have you been with her? Hold on. Dude, look the other way. Look. How long have you been with her? I got it. How long have you been? Shit. I got it.